Switching sides. Protect the objective.
Cleaner gone.
Okay. Why would the kid throw the fucking nade while I'm over here taking care of these guys? Dummy. Oh my god. Joey Joe, dude. I hate retards. Swear to God, I hate retards.
We lost the battle, but the war goes on.
I'm not losing my ring.
Bring your A game.
I knew what I was doing, bro. Jesus. I don't need someone fucking to guide me what I'm trying to do.
Destroy the objectives. We got the bomb.
Good back.
Damn, dude.
Nice work, Black Ops. Get ready for the next round. Switching operation ready point. Defend the objectives.
Just smoked you with a fucking pistol, bro. Oh, you're back here in the spawn.
Congrats on the promotion.
Time's running out. Finish this.
You're an idiot, man. What are you doing? Dumb.
We lost the battle, but the war goes on. Bring your A game.
That's 2-2.
Switching operation ready point. Eliminate the objective. Charges acquired. Bomb online.
Threat neutralized.
Nice work, Black Ops. Get ready for the next round.
Threat neutralized.
I am fucking smacking these kids with a pistol. Oh my god, I just didn't do Pistol episodes.
Switching
Coach
operation
Pistol.
ready point.
Coach Pistol episodes is all I can think about doing right now.
Protect the objective.
Incoming lethal! Inspector down. And remove. Fire break neutralized. Fire break neutralized.
Black Ops, mark up another win.
We kicked some serious ass, guys. Get back to boot camp.